try to do the quicker.
Should we test it, or? I'm sure it's fine.
Okay, I'll do the quicker.
Okay, sure, I'll just say next. Thank you.
You can just like go.
Sure. All right, ¿listos? ¿Ready?
Listo.
Is it
Sí.
going? Muy bien. Pues, buenas tardes, clase.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes. ¿Cómo están ustedes?
Eh,
¿Están bien?
sí.
Sí. Sí. Bueno, estoy bien. Gracias por estar aquí. Thank you for being here and being my audience. Me llamo Señor Carroll y hoy vamos a hablar del verbo gustar. You can do it. Next, please. El objetivo, the objective today, vamos a aprender cómo usar el verbo gustar. We're going to learn how to use the verb gustar. Gustar is a very important verb because it means to like. Technically, it also means to be pleasing to, but to simplify things, we'll say it means to like. So you can express yourself with the verb gustar. You can do the next, please. Here's the trick, though. Sentence structure with gustar is different than most verbs because the subject actually follows the verb. Okay? So gustar requires lots of practice, but the good news, with practice, you can learn it. Okay? So next, so ejemplos, examples. So for normal verbs in Spanish, like the verb comer, to eat, you would say yo como la pizza, for example, right? I eat the pizza. And comer is conjugated here as como, because yo, I am the subject. So that's how we conjugate comer. Yo como la pizza, I eat the pizza. But with gustar, it's a little different, okay? You would say me gusta la pizza. I like the pizza. What's different about me gusta la pizza as opposed to yo como la pizza? See?
No hay un yo.
No hay un yo. Okay, so instead of yo, in vez de yo, we have me. Right? What else is different? Sí.
Es A,
Sí.
no es O.
Oh, así es, exacto. Yo como la pizza, I eat the pizza. With gustar, me gusta la pizza. Okay, so there's two things going on. There's the verb itself, gustar, which is gusta, and instead of yo, there's me. Okay, so if I'm not the subject here, what is the subject with the sentence? It's not me, what is it? See?
La pizza.
La pizza, eso es. So the pizza is the subject here. That's why gustar is gusta, not gusto. The me, in this case, means to me. So remember what I said before, that it means, gustar means to like, but it also means to be pleasing to. Technically what this means is the pizza is pleasing to me. We don't really say that though in English though, do we?
No.
No. I don't say, Jonathan, your shoes are very pleasing to me. Right? I would probably say I like your shoes. But with gustar in Espanol, así es. We just do it this way, okay? The me, this word here, is called an indirect object pronoun. It's kind of a mouthful. You can do the next slide. Okay. And what you're saying with that is that, again, the pizza is pleasing to me. So here's some examples of how you can use gustar. You can use it with other verbs or infinitives. Okay, an infinitive is just a word for a verb in its form. Okay, so por ejemplo, comer, leer, hablar con los amigos. Okay, so in each case here, you have me gusta. These are all, I'm still talking about myself, followed by a verb. All right. So cuando digo repita clase, when I say repeat class, repeat after me. Okay. Repita clase, me gusta
Me gusta
comer pizza.
comer pizza.
Me gusta comer pizza.
Me gusta comer pizza.
Muy bien. Me gusta leer libros.
Me gusta leer libros.
All right. I like to read books. Me gusta hablar con mis amigos.
Me gusta hablar con mis amigos.
Okay. So each case, right, the verb comer, leer, hablar follows gusta. This last one, no me gusta nadar. So to say, sorry. Repita, por favor. No me gusta nadar.
No me gusta nadar.
Okay. What am I saying here? See? ¿Sabes?
Sí. No me gusta nadar. I don't like to swim.
I don't like to swim. Okay? So to say what you don't like, all you do is you add a no to the front of the sentence, in front of the indirect object pronoun. No me gusta. No me gusta nadar porque me duelen las orejas, my ear shirts, after swimming. Okay? So for me personally, no me gusta nadar. What if I wanted to ask you whether you like to swim? Okay? You do next. Okay? If I wanted to ask you, we'll get to this in a second, how I would ask you if you want to swim, I have to change the indirect object pronoun. But first, there's also ways to use gustar with nouns, with sustantivos. Sustantivos are nouns. If, for example, I want to say I like the book, I would say me gusta el libro. Repita clase.
Me gusta el libro.
Muy bien. How many books are there?
Uno.
Un libro. Okay, if what you like though is plural, I underline this here, gustar changes to gustan. Repita clase, me gustan los libros.
Me gustan los libros.
I like the books. Okay, why is it gustan instead of gusta? What's going on with the verb? Remember, the verb is gustar. If it's something that's singular, you say gusta. Why is it gustan?
Hay más de un libro.
Hay más de un libro. Muy bien. So what you're liking is more than one. You can think of it that way. You have to add the N because the books, remember, are pleasing to me. That's technically what we're saying here. And again, if I want to say that I don't like something, repita clase, I would say, por ejemplo, no me gusta el gato.
No me gusta el gato.
No me gustan los gatos.
No me gustan los gatos.
Okay? I don't like the cats, or if there are more than one, no me gustan los gatos. A mí me gustan los perros. I'm more of a dog person. Okay? So, back to that question though, we're only talking about me so far. If you go next, please. Okay? Here are other subjects, basically, right? We've been talking about me gusta. Ignore the blue for right now. Okay? If I want to ask you what you like, or say you like something, I would say, repita clase, te gusta.
Te gusta.
Te gusta. Or if it's something plural, te gustan.
Te
Te
gusta.
gustan. Okay? The next one, it's our verb chart, would be le gusta. This one is for él, ella, usted, okay? Or el nombre, so a third person, right? Repita clase, le gusta.
Le gusta.
Muy bien. To say we like, repita clase, nos gusta.
Nos gusta.
O nos gustan.
Nos gustan.
This one is a little different. Os gusta,
Os gusta.
os gustan.
Os gustan.
¿Alguien sabe qué significa os, o vosotros, o vosotras? ¿Alguien sabe? Does anyone know? ¿Sí?
Y'all.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, right? You all. Where do we use it? ¿Dónde se usa? Where do we use vosotros? We usually don't include it, but I included it here. We're gonna close. We only use this one in Spain, in España. Okay, sorry, yeah. So sometimes we don't include this one, but for you guys I wanted to. So in Spain, if you go to a tapas restaurant, por ejemplo, you would hear people saying, oye, ¿os gustan las tapas? Do you like the tapas? All right. Usually though, we're going to use this one in the United States or this part of the world. Repita clase, les gusta.
Les gusta.
O les gustan.
Les gusta.
Muy bien. So that is they, ellos, ellas, or you plural, you all, ustedes. Why do I have this in blue? I'm not sure if you can see it as blue. In parentheses here. Okay? If I want to emphasize who I'm talking about, who likes something, or who something is pleasing to, I would say, por ejemplo, a mí me gusta. That way I'm saying, to me, I like. If I want to emphasize to you, I would say, a ti. All right? This one especially, if I just say le gusta, and I'm talking to you, you all, and I say le gusta, you know who I'm talking about?
No.
No. So what do I need to do? Por ejemplo, I would say, a Jonathan le gusta. So I'm specifying that it's Jonathan who I'm talking about. So So the same applies to nos, a nosotros o a nosotras, nos gusta. Vosotros, if we were in Spain, a vosotros, a vosotras. And then for les, a ellos, a ellas, a ustedes. All right, so that's to specify who we're talking about. Can you do the next, please? So here's the key question that we can try to answer today, okay? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do, right? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? What do you like to do? How are you going to answer this, do you think? You're going to say me gusta plus an infinitive, plus a verb, usually, because you're going to be using a verb to express what you like to do. So, por ejemplo, me gusta comer, I like to eat. Me gusta cocinar, I like to cook. Hay que cocinar antes de comer, you have to cook before you eat, usually, right? Me gusta leer, I like to read. Me gusta estudiar, you can use any verb to complete this, okay? The question, though, that you would ask other people is, ¿qué te gusta hacer? Can you do the next, please?